मला कळतं पप्पांचा फोन आलाय.
Good afternoon. According to schedule, today is our practical, but we'll discuss about our very important theory chapter, theory topic, that is classification of Indian breeds of goats. सगळे झाले का जॉईन? फक्त 66च पार्टिसिपंट आहेत. आज टाइम टेबल नुसार आपलं प्रॅक्टिकल आहे, परंतु आपण एक महत्वाचा टॉपिक घेणार आहोत, थेअरीचा टॉपिक घेणार आहोत, तो म्हणजे क्लासिफिकेशन अँड स्टडी ऑफ इंडिजिनियस अँड एक्झॉटिक गोट ब्रीड्स. Let's start. According to International Congress of Genetics, which is situated at New Delhi, the goats are divided into two genera. गोट हे दोन जनरा मध्ये डिवाइड झालेले आहेत. फर्स्ट इज कॅप्रा and second is Hemitragus. The genera Hemitragus has three species occurring in eastern Oman, eastern central Himalaya and Nilgiri hills of southern Asia. म्हणजे हेमिट्रॅगस जे जनरेचे जे ब्रीड आहेत ते आपल्याला ईस्टर्न ओमन, सेंट्रल हिमालय आणि निलगिरी पर्वत या साऊदर्न इंडिया मध्ये आपल्याला सापडतात. बट दिस जनरा हॅव ओनली वाइल्ड गोट्स. द जनस कॅप्रा आर डिवाइड इनटू 5 स्पेसीज. जे कॅप्रा हे जिनस आहे ते पुन्हा 5 स्पेसीज मध्ये डिवाइड झालेले आहे. पहिला आहे कॅप्रा इडेक्स, नंतर स्पॅनिश इडेक्स, देन कॅप्रा कोकसिया, नंतर नेक्स्ट आहे कॅप्रा हिरकस आणि कॅप्रा फाल्कोनेरी. हे 5 स्पेसीज आहेत कॅप्रा या जिनस. Then next is Capra hircus is divided into subspecies such as Capra agaricus and Capra lethi. Among these, Capra agaricus is wild goat from which various breed of domestic goat have been derived. It is found in barren hills of Baluchistan and western Sindh. जे पश्चिम भाग आहे सिंधचा आणि बलुचिस्तानच्या डोंगरांमध्ये पडतात. इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट क्वेटा इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय मार्कोर फाउंड इन तुर्किस्तान, अफगाणिस्तान, बलुचिस्तान and Kashmir. The Kashmir and Chegu breeds derived in Markor and Angora breed. Then the zoological classification of goat. Class is Mammalia. Class is Mammalia. Order Artiodactylia. Suborder is Ruminantilia. Family Ovidae. Subfamily is Caprini. And genus is Capra. And species is Hircus. The botanical name of goat is Capra hircus. Then classification of Indian breeds according to its utility. First class is milk purpose, second is meat purpose, third is fuel purpose, and fourth one is fine hair and fleece. Fine hairs, wool किंवा fleece किंवा hairs. First class, which is milk purpose, goat are Sanin, Alpine, Jamunapuri, Jharkhana, and Surti. That's are Indian breeds, and exotic breeds are Saanen, Alpine, Anglo-Nubian, and Tongan birds. Then, in meat purpose, species are Black Bengal, Ganjam, Mulberry, and Kokan Kanya. In dual purpose, breeds are Beetle, Sangamneri, Barbary, and Kutchi. Fourth one class is fine hair or fleece, full purpose. And breeds are Angora, Changtangi, Chegu, and Gaddi. Then next is classification according to agroecological region. Classification of Indian breeds according to its agroecological region. First is temperate Himalayan region, and breeds are Changtangi, Chegu, Gaddi, and Kashmiri. Then second class is northwestern region, and breeds are Jamnapuri, Beetle, and Barbary. Then next class is central region. In central region, breeds are Siroi, Mehsana, Jhalwadi, and Ferrari. Then next class is southern region. In southern region, breeds are Usmanabadi, Sangamneri, Mulberry, and Kokan Kanya. Last class is eastern region, Black Bengal, Ganjam, and Assam Hills. These are the breeds including eastern region. Then we will discuss about first breed is Changtangi, and which is origin from Changtang region of Ladakh. Then physical characters of Changtangi breed is predominantly white, but gray, brown, or black found on. Then large horns, coarse hairs on face. Then small and fiber producing. Average weight of male breed is 31.02 kg and female is 25.75 kg. म्हणजे इट इज स्मॉल ॲनिमल बट क्विक मुवमेंट, म्हणजे की खूप स्मॉल ॲनिमल असतं पण मुवमेंट क्विक होतं, चपळ असतं थोडं. मेजॉरिटी गोट्स आर व्हाईट, मोस्टली व्हाईट कलर ब्रीड असतात. And also known as Pashmina breed. Then last is yield of Pashmina is 20 to 60 gram per fleece length is 4.95 centimeter. Human production from Changtangi breed is 9.18 kg. Then kidding percentage is 18 to 19%. Next breed is Chegu. Origin from Yaskar mountain range of Spiti and Kashmir. Physical characters of Chegu breed is white coat mixed with grayish red, producing pashmina. Horns are long, backward and down and upward. The small and fiber producing breed is small in size. Then yield is pashmina. The average pashmina yield of goat is 50 to 63 per clip, gram per clip, and yield of fleece are 5.9 centimeter. Then churn production 12.17 kg. Heating percentage is 65.4%. Body weight of male is 35 to 40 kg. Then body weight of female is 25 to 30 kg. Then next breed is Gaddi, origin from Kangra, Kullu, and Chamba, and Shimla district. Physical characters of Gaddi breeds are: the coat are usually white, but grey and red also. This is medium-sized breed. The horns are long and spiral. Nose is convex, medium drooping ears. कान थोडेसे झुकलेले असतात. Long hairs and horns are pointed at apex. Then chewing production. Utility is chewing production, milk, hair, and craft purpose. Average weight of male is 27.45 gram, 5 kilogram, and average weight of female is 24.72 kilogram. Then fleece production is average weight is 300 gram per clip, and milk production is 500 gram.
Okay.
Sorry. Next is Northern Western region goat breeds. Barbary. Origin of Barbary breed is Itwa, Agra, Aligarh district of UP, Uttar Pradesh, and Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. Physical characteristics of Barbary breeds are white coat with brown patches, short erect ears, shining eyes, horns are upright and turned backward. Horns हे मागच्या बाजूला थोडेसे वाकलेले असतात. Then average weight of male is 37.9 kilogram and average weight of female is 22.6 kilogram. Then lactation yield is 107.1 kilogram and lactation length is 151 days. Children production from Barbary breed is 7.8 kilogram per breed. Barbary breed is dual purpose. Then next is Jamnapuri. Jamnapuri breed is originated from Itwa, Agra, Aligarh district of Uttar Pradesh and Morena district of Madhya Pradesh. Physical characteristics of Jamnapuri breeds are white coat with brown patches, ऑन नेक. नेकला या बाजूला ब्राऊन पॅचेस असतात, इकडे या बाजूला. अलॉंग विथ पेंडुलस इयर, रोमन नोज, then tuft of hairs on buttock, short flat horn, large and developed udder in female, large size animal, milk and meat purpose. Then average weight of male is 44.66 kilogram and average weight of female is 38.07 kilogram. Lactation yield 2001 kilogram and lactation length is 191 days. Human production from Jamnapuri breed is 15.56 kg and dressing percentage of Jamnapuri breeds are 44.6%. Then next breed is Beetle. Beetle breeds are originated from Gurdaspur, Firozpur and Amritsar district of Punjab. Then physical characters of Beetle breeds are black to brown color, convex face, long and flat ears, Roman nose, then horns are flat and curved, sloping backside, then well set large udder. Beetle breeds are rare for milk and meat purpose. Then average weight of male of Beetle breeds are 59.7 kg and average weight of female is 34.97 kg. Then lactation yield of Beetle breeds is 177.3 kg and lactation length of Beetle breed is 187 days. Human production from Beetle breeds is 12.2 kg and dressing percentage of Beetle breed is 49.7%. Then next breed is Zakrana. Originated from Zakrana, Naya Sarna and nearby village of Alwar district of Rajasthan. Black coat except white spot on ears, muzzles and lower jaw are long legs, dual purpose breed. Then average weight of male is 55.55 kg and average weight of female is 36.68 kilogram. Then test weight of mohair yield is 3.31 kg and fat percentage is 5. In Zakrana breed, Chivan fat percentage is 5.6%, SNF 8.60%, and TS 13.55%, and protein 3.73%. Length of yield of Zakrana breed is lactation yield is Zakrana breed is 318 kilogram and lactation length is 231 days. Feeding percentage is 141.8%. Then next is Marwari breed. Marwari breed originated from Jodhpur, Pali, Jalore, Barmer, Jaisalmer, Nagaur district of Rajasthan. Physical characters of Marwari breed are black colored animal with long hairs, corkscrew horn, then dual purpose breed. Then average weight of male is 39.51 kg and average weight of female is 31.86 kg. Lactation yield 90 kg and lactation length of Marwari breed is 196 days. Semen production from Marwari breed is 8.7 kg and hair production from Marwari breed is 303 gram per year. Then next breed is Siroi. Origin of Siroi breed is Siroi, Udaipur, Ajmer district of Rajasthan. Then physical characters of Siroi breeds are compact body, brown coat with dark or light patches, long flat ears, horns are straight and upward. Dual purpose breed, Siroi is dual purpose breed. Then average weight of male is 42.83 kilogram. Then lactation average weight of female is 35.27 kilogram. And lactation yield of Siroi breed is 71.2 kg and lactation length is 175 days. Then dressing percentage of Siroi breeds are 47.3 gram. Then next is Surti breed. Origin of Surti breeds is Surat and Baroda district of Gujarat. Physical characters of Surti breed are white in color, with small horns and well developed udder. Useful for rearing in town stall fed. Surti is dual purpose breed. Then average weight of male is 31.06 kg and average weight of female breed is 29.03 kg. Meat yield from milk yield is from 0 kg per day. सुरतीपासून 2 किलोग्राम 2 लिटर मिल्क पर डे मिळतो. Then next is Gohiwadi. Origin of Gohiwadi breeds is Bhavnapur, Amreli and Junagadh district of Gujarat. Then physical characters of Gohiwadi breed: black in color, short upright backward horn, ears are drooping, medium size body. Then Gohiwadi breeds is dual purpose. Then average weight of male is 52.04 kg and average weight of female is 41.67 kg. Lactation yield is from Gohiwadi breed is 171 kg and lactation length of Gohiwadi breed are 227 days. Hair production from Gohiwadi breed is 317 gram per year. Then next breed is Mehsana. Origin is Patan. Origin of Mehsana breed is Patan, Buskanta, Mehsana, Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad district of Gujarat. Physical characters of Mehsana breeds are black coat with white spot, the base of ears, leaf-like drooping, ears are drooping, then twisted horn. Utility of Mehsana breeds are milk and meat, means dual purpose breed. Average weight of male is 36.68 kg and average weight of female is 36.09 kg. Lactation yield of Mehsana breeds are 207.79 kg and lactation length is 228 days. Hair production from Mehsana breed is 210 gram per year. Then next breed is Kachchi. Kachchi breed is originated from Kutch region, Ahmedabad district. Physical characters of Kachchi breed is black coat, white spoon, long drooping ears, and reddish mark on neck, long hairs, and screw horn. Medium sized breed, used also rare for meat and milk purpose. Kutchi breed is dual purpose. Then average weight of male is 46.96 kilogram and average weight of female is 39.91 kilogram. Lactation yield is 184 kilogram and lactation length 118 days. Hair production of Kutchi breed is 229 gram per clip. Then next is Mulberry breed. Mulberry breed are origin from Calicut, Cannonair and Malpuram of Kerala. Then physical characters of Mulberry breeds are they have no uniform color which varies from white to black coat, small and twisted horn, medium sized downward ears, small and round udder. Then used for rare for meat and milk purpose. Average weight of male is 38.96 kilogram and average weight of female is 31.12 kilogram. Lactation yield of mulberry breeds are 44 kg and lactation length is 144 days. Student production from mulberry breed 8.73 kilogram. Then next breed is Usmanabadi, origin from Usmanabad, Ahmednagar and Solapur district of Maharashtra. Mostly black in color, black and white spotted on horns are twisted and turns backward, facial with convex ears, udder small with small teeth. Milk and meat purpose period. Average weight of male is 33.66 kilogram and average weight of female is 32.36 kilogram. Lactation yield 75 kg and lactation length is 120 days. Chicken production from Usmanabadi breed is 11.07 kg. Then next breed is Sangamneri. Origin of Sangamneri breed is Pune and Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Physical characters of Sangamneri breeds are white, black, brown with spot. Udder are small, medium size, medium ears and drooping. Then average weight of male is 38.37 kg. Average weight of female is 28.97 kg and lactation yield is 82 kilogram. Lactation length is 165 days. Then dressing percentage of Sangamneri breed is 41.16% and hair production 300 gram per clipping. The next breed is Kannai Nadu, Virudnagar, Tuticorin and Tiruvallur district of Tamil Nadu. Physical characters head and ears. Then mid-purpose breed Average weight of male is 35.76 kg. Average weight of female is 28.6. Breed is 12 kg. Black Bengal breed originated from West Bengal, North State, then which is situated in Bihar and Orissa. Physical characters of Black Bengal breed is coat black, brown or grey, short horns, beard in both sexes, prolific, small udder, dual purpose breed. Then average weight of male is 32.37 kilogram and average weight of female is 18.31 kilogram. Lactation is kg. And lactation length is 119 days. Average dressing percentage is 45.7%. The next is Ganjam, originated from Ganjam and Korapat district of Orissa. Physical characters of Ganjam breeds are tall and lazy, coat are black, white or brown with spotted parallel cut with backward long horns. Udder are poorly developed. Ganjam breed is then average weight of male is 44.5 kg and average female weight is 31.87 kilogram. Then fat percentage is 3.9% and SNM is 8.53%. Lactation rate of Ganjam breeds is 45.94 kg and lactation length is 120 days. Then churn production of Ganjam breed is 9.52 kg. Some exotic breeds: Alpine, Boar, Angona, and Teutonburg. First is Alpine breed. Origin is Alpine breed is France. Characters of Alpine breed is mostly black and gray, white to black with white spot. Face is dished, short, pointed horns, ears. Adult weight of male is 65 kg and average weight of female is 50 to 60 kg. Utility: milk weight, average milk is 0.9 to 1.3 kg per day. Then Nubian, Northeast, origin from Northeast Africa and Sudan. Characters of Nubian breed is black dark brown with white spot, short silky hairs, Roman nose, long pendulous ear, developed udder. Utility of then milk production is 0.8 kg to 1.3 kg per day milk yield. Then last one is next is Saanen breed, originated from Switzerland. Dull white male horn, but female is dehorn. Straight nose, upward erect ears, female cold, but males have horns. Then face disc shape, large udder, and milk is yield is 3 kg per day. Then next is Teutonburg, origin from Switzerland. Physical characters are white with brown with white color on tail, belly and legs. ear small and pointed forward. Then average weight of male is 55 kg and average milk production is 1 kg per day. Then both origin from South Africa. Physical characteristics of Boer breeds are goat is horn with top ears and showing variety of color pattern. Neck light to dark brown and rest of body white. Average weight of male is 100 to 130 kilogram and average weight of female is 90 to 100 kilogram. Then meat production, milk meat purpose, average growth rate of and twinning percentage. Then Angora, origin from Turkey and Asia. Physical characters of Angora breeds are short and small body, white with silky hair, called as mohair. Horns are long, flat, and turned backward. Ears are short and drooping. Average weight of male is 50 to 60 kg. Average weight of female is 45 to 60 kg. Annual mohair production is 2.5 to 3 kg. Then, thank you. Here we complete our important theory lecture. Today we'll see about our practical. Thank you.